Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2017 Road King Special in color black. The 107 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Previous owner installed a detachable tour pack with a luggage rack for your long distance ride, custom Dynamics LED turn signals, and a custom Dynamics headlamp. Previous owner also installed highway pegs, upgraded grips, and a cell phone mount. This bike only has 6,560 miles as of this moment. Previous owner also installed a Vance & Hines exhaust. Let's listen to that. Sounds great. It's a great looking bike with many upgraded accessories. Fresh out of detail and fresh out of service. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.